Hello guys, this is Ansab and you are watching the Ansab YouTube channel. So welcome to another video on web hosting course for beginners, and in this video I am going to give you a detailed overview about CPanel, what is CPanel and what are the features of a CPanel. So as you can see, I have already logged into my Infinity free account, and you can see the account of our website whcourse.cf, and then just press enter. Okay, so now you can see there are our control panel, file manager and account settings. So this is about control panel. Just click on this and you can see in other tab a new window will open with various tools and different options. So this is our CPanel. Basically this is the place from where we are going to manage about our website. Like if you want to upload something, we can go to the file manager. This is there, you can see online file manager, which is used to upload your web pages or the content of your website. You can also open this file manager from here and you can get a bit different file manager from there. This is different file manager and it also looks good, and I will tell you what are the contents in file manager in the next video. So let's talk about CPanel. So you can see there are many options. So let me give you detail of some important options from here. So this is just some basics option like update your contact email, getting started. This is your guide. If you don't know anything, you can just open it and there is everything you need to know. How you can forget HTML, I want a PHP, what about forms, galleries, blogs or CMS. There are many things which you can learn from it. And now account upgrades. This is a free account. If you want to upgrade, you can go to there and you can select your package and you can upgrade your account from here. So let me increase the size of the page a little bit. Okay, and you can see this is the account setting, the basic setting of the account. So this is the file manager. So I will make a separate video about this file manager because it's also a big topic. And you can see this is the database, the PHP MyAdmin database and MySQL database. So in free version we get two databases. So basically a database is used to store your data of your users. So if you are making something like making an website and it has a feature of login, so where you are going to store the username, email ID, password or many other entries of your user of the website. So all the entries are going to store in MySQL database or PHP MyAdmin database. So this depends on you which database you are going to use. And now you can see the domains. There are add-on domains, subdomains and park domain. You just forget about add-on domains and park domains in beginning. You will need subdomains in your beginning. You are going to use just subdomains or redirects. So basically a subdomain is like so you can see there is just I will like to give you an example of so if you type google.com, so it will open a web page of Google. But if you type drive.google.com, just type drive.google.com, so it will open an entirely different website. But you can see that Google was same. So I can show you like mail.google.com, in this also google.com, and it will also open an entire different website. So the URL is different. The domain is same, but the website is different. So that's called subdomain. When you enter like the main website is google.com, so it will open Google page. But if you enter drive.google.com, then it will open Google Drive. So this is called subdomain. This portion is called subdomain. So enough of this, we will make another video on subdomains. So coming back to our cPanel, so this is subdomain and this is redirect. So redirect is when you need to redirect a user from some page to another page. So if your site is not working, or there is some 40 page or some other problem, and you want user to automatically redirect from one page to another page, then you can use this feature. So redirect all traffic from whenever user will enter whcourse.cf into its like browser, then it will redirect to entire different website. So let me show you. If I enter google.com here, and if I enter whcourse.cf in my address bar, then it will open google.com. so this is called redirect. So you can remove this redirect. Okay, so coming back to our cPanel, now the another option we see is email. So have you wondered about some email IDs that some users uses, like abcd@example.com? I mean, you usually use email ID like gmail.com, yahoo.com, Rediff or Hotmail. Some they are like 10 or 15 famous email providers, but you can create your own email ID like my name is Ansab, so ansab@whcourse.cf. so this will be my email ID. So you can create an email ID on your domain. So I will make another separate video on how to make this email ID and about login. So now you can see matrices, and in this you see the account is static. So if you open that, this is just new website, so there is no data. So in this you can see the daily hits of your website. I mean, you can see the traffic of your website and CPU use, RAM use, input. There are many things which you can see in this resource use. So you can get a rough idea of how many people are coming to your website daily and how much resources they are using, and according to that you can increase your plans or anything which you will like. So now another thing you see is IP blocker. So under security, so IP blocker is that you can block an IP address or IP blocks, like if you want to block IP of some specific country or specific region, then you can block that countries or region from this option. And now coming to SSL and TLS. So SSL and TLS is that if you see that whcourse.cf, so you can see that just whcourse.cf, but if you go to a website like google.com, then you can see a thing called https, which is google.com. so it has a this https is enabled by using a TSL certificate. So you can see this is the certificate of Google, and if you enter https, so your connection is not secure because we don't have any https certificate. We can use only http. Okay, so and coming back to our cPanel, you can see the option is software. So instead of making your website from scratch, you can use various softwares like site builder or softclass apps installer. From there you can install many apps like WordPress or Forms app or social media apps and many things, gallery apps. It will provide to you and you can install it in your website. You can see there are huge number of applications are available, categories are available, and in each category there are various applications. So in blogs you have WordPress, and you can see there are many wikis, so you can create your own wiki. And e-commerce, you can create an e-commerce site using these softwares. So it is very easy instead of creating your website from scratch. And this is site builder, which you can use to create a simple site for yourself. These are SEO tools which you can use if you are going to make something advanced. And this is Cloudflare, which is used to protect, usually to protect from DDoS attacks. And now you can see in advanced there is cron job. So a cron job is a job, is a script which runs automatically at some interval of time to perform some specific task. So this is used to automate some tasks. So you can see on free hosting you can your script should complete its works within 5 seconds, otherwise it will be removed automatically. So you can see what a console look like. So you can put your script in your file manager and you can give the address from here, and you can configure it to run at every some minutes or some hour. Okay, so now these are some CNAME records. So this is used to alter DNS, and this is the error page. So this is very useful tool. So if you are someone enter you have a page on your website called whcourse whcourse.com/user, but someone enter it whcourse.cf/users instead of user, it enter users. So that page is not available, and you can enter some page, and you can for every 404 you can make some custom error pages. So let me give you an example of that. whcourse.cf/abc. so it will just give 404 page not found, which is provided by Infinity free. So instead of this page we can add our custom page, just for example, let me enter google.com. If someone enter curse.com/something, which page is not available, so it will just send the user to. Okay, I think I made some mistake, that's why it's not working, otherwise it works. .cf or cf/abcd, and now you can see it redirects you to Google. For every 404 page it will redirect user to google.com. so just leave it empty. And now this is just some general thing support. So you can, if you have some thing to, if you want to know something, you can just create a new ticket and ask from Infinity free, or you can also get to know from free tutorials. Open support ticket, you can see if you have some open support ticket, the support form where your community will help you, and you can see there are tutorials like domain management, adding your own domain, parking your domain. So there are many handy tutorials already available. So this was all about CPanel, and in next video I will tell you about file manager or something which we will see. So bye, see you in next video. Also share, comment, and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye, see you in next video.